Good day everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to write a simple program that will compute the difference in quotient of two numbers using PHP as our programming language. Before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. So let's get started. I'm here in my IDE, so I can start writing the code. Very simple. I would like to try that the code is very simple enough for us to perform. So I start a script with less than question mark PHP, and then I create a variable here, let's say $a, and then we have here 100, and then the other variable $b, let's say for example we have 10. To solve the difference, we will create another variable, difference or div equals open parenthesis $a minus $b semicolon, and then for quotient, quotient equals $a slash for division $b semicolon, echo, you can have here 2 backslash for new line, no, sorry, we can have 2br, and then we can have here the statement. Let's say for example header 3, the difference between $a and $b is $dev slash f3. We can have here a br at the end for the separation for the next line, and then what we can do, we can copy this one and then paste to the next line, and then we can have here, we remove quotient between $a and $b is $quotient, we can close question mark, greater than, Control S, we save. We go to the sum directory, htdocs, right click, select new folder, and then we can have here, let's say for example math is the name of our folder, and then we have here index.php. We select the right language, click save. Now in our browser, let's say we go here to math, localhost math. So okay, so we have here the result, but we can actually write echo, you can add the value we can improve the value in variable $a is the value in variable a is, sorry, and then we can change this one to b. A, dollar A, dollar B. Let's see. Okay, I think we have already done checking for the code. Okay, let us go to our browser and then F5 refresh. Okay, so we have here the value in variable A is 100, the value in variable B is 10, the difference between 100 and 10 is 90, the quotient between 100 and 10 is 10. So we have already the right result in our program. How to write a program that will compute the difference and quotient between of two values in PHP. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please click or hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. Thank you very much guys for watching. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental says until to the next video tutorial. Bye bye for now.